So we are back again mga kapadyak. Magku-quick bike check tayo ng Canyon Stride CF8.0 2018 na siya. Second hand ko nga pala nabili to sa Alain pa. Dito tayo sa cockpit. Ang handlebar natin is 800mm, 15mm rise, saka 31.8 lang yung taba niya. Pati yung stem, rental Apex, 31.8 lang din ang ano niya, ang clamping niya. Handle grip natin, Ergon GD1. Saddle natin, WTB Bolt Pro. Medyo maganda siya sa puwet. Mas okay siya kaysa sa ating SDG. Yan yung SDG na yan. Natin is medium. Medyo konti lang naman ang gasgas. Hindi siya ganun karami. Yan ang mga gasgas niya, yung mga yan. Wala namang problema sa akin yan. Yan, yung mga yan. Wala namang problema yan. Gasgas lang yan. Medium siya, pero medyo malaki sa akin. Nahihirapan akong mag-manual. Sa fork naman natin, RockShox Pike 160mm yung travel, 160 travel RockShox Pike. Medyo maganda pa ang laro niya, panalo pa din. Ang crank naman natin, race pace turbine, you know, race pace turbine, no? Saka race pace chainring na rin yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong size yan. Tingin ko nasa 32 siguro to, 32 teeth. Walang nakalagay na numero eh, kaya hulaan na lang natin. Parang 32 lang, sobrang liit lang eh. Sa rear shock naman natin, RockShox Monarch Plus RC3. Yan, 116 travel. Ang ganda yung laro niya. Subukan natin yung shape shifter. Yun o. Seat post naman natin, RockShox Reverb. Yun o. Ayos na ayos. Ating cassette. Sa cassette naman natin is 1052. Maliit niya naman is, tingin ko nasa 10 lang to eh. 10 or 11. Yan. Wala pa ako masyadong alam dito sa bike na to. Nagku-quick bike check lang tayo. Ang gulong natin is Maxxis Minion DHR2. Pareha siya, harap likod. 27.5 by 2.30 ang likod. Pedal natin, DMR bikes B12. Yan. Sa harap pa lang, sa front tire pala natin is 240, 2.4 pala sa harap at 2.3 naman sa likod. Tapos ang ating battle cage Exostar naman ang tatak. Ewan ko kung plastic to or carbon. Ang ating kadena naman pala is SRAM. You know. Ating brake set, SRAM guide, RSC, 4 piston. Yan. 4 piston yan. Tapos ang rotor niya is 180 at 200 sa harap. 200 sa harap at 180 sa likod. Yung disc rotor niya. Yung hubs naman natin is Spunk Uzi Trail F1520. Yun o, Spunk Uzi Trail. F5020. For sure, push hub yan.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now.
At yan ang quick bike check ng ating Canyon Stripe CF8.0 2018. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. See you next time. Keep safe. Peace!